As you create these tiny yet powerful habits, remember that every big achievement starts with a single, small step. Think of it as laying the foundation for your future as you build routines that embody your desired identity. As you embark on this journey of transformation, remember to celebrate each small victory along the way. These moments of recognition will reinforce your commitment and inspire you to keep pushing forward, even when obstacles arise. Now, let's take a moment to explore some real-life stories of people who have successfully integrated these atomic habits into their daily lives. Imagine Sarah, a busy professional who struggled with fitness for years. She started with just 2 minutes of stretching every morning. It seemed insignificant at first, but over months, that 2-minute habit blossomed into a full-blown workout routine, transforming both her body and her confidence. Isn't that incredible? Sarah's story is just one of many. Then there's Mark, who always wanted to write a novel but felt overwhelmed by the task. He committed to writing just 1 paragraph a day, squeezing it into his morning commute. With time, those paragraphs piled up into chapters, proving that the path to achieving dreams often lies in the willingness to start small and stay consistent. These examples illustrate how ordinary individuals can tap into the principles of atomic habits to foster extraordinary results in their lives. So, what are you waiting for? Your journey to transformation begins with that first small step, too. Embrace the process, make adjustments along the way, and remember that change doesn't need to be daunting. By focusing on these tiny actions, you're not just changing habits, you're reshaping your future. And believe me, it's going to be worth it. Many people underestimate the power of incremental change because society often glorifies grand gestures and rapid transformations. But here's the truth: those huge life changes, they're built on countless small habits that quietly work behind the scenes. This is the magic of atomic habits. Transformations that feel unnoticeable at first but accumulate over time, leading to profound shifts. So, as you digest these strategies, keep in mind that every step you take, no matter how tiny, contributes to your larger vision. The secret to lasting success doesn't lie in monumental efforts but rather in consistent, small actions that compound. You've got this. Now, let's turn our focus to the environments we cultivate around us. Picture this: your workspace cluttered with distractions that coax you into procrastination. It's no wonder that goals feel distant. By consciously designing your surroundings, you can create an atmosphere that supports your journey towards success. Imagine a desk strewn with motivational quotes, a clear workspace, and even a fresh pot of green tea ready to energize you. This isn't just aesthetics, it's a strategic move to influence your daily choices. So, as you embrace this approach, consider what changes you can make today to optimize your environment for the habits that align with your aspirations. Remember, it's not just about willpower, it's about crafting a space where your goals feel achievable and inviting. This small but mighty shift can make all the difference as you step towards your transformed self. Let's dive into an example of environmental design in action. Picture this: instead of reaching for junk food on your kitchen counter, you have a vibrant fruit bowl front and center. The sight of those colorful apples or bananas makes healthier choices feel effortless. Or maybe you set up a cozy reading nook, complete with a soft chair and good lighting, as a reminder that pleasure can be found in books rather than screens. These deliberate changes don't just reshape your space, they subtly influence your decisions. When the environment aligns with your aspirations, the good habits start to flourish naturally. It's all about creating the right context to thrive. Now that you've recognized the power of habit formation and environmental design, it's time to take action. Consider your current routines and identify which ones you'd like to change or improve. Are there habits you've been wanting to adopt but haven't taken that first step yet? Take a moment to envision your ideal self. What little actions can you incorporate into your daily life that align with that vision? Remember, it doesn't have to be monumental. Simple shifts can lead to unexpected transformations. So whether it's setting aside 10 minutes each day for meditation or swapping late-night snacks for healthier options, each choice is a building block for your future. The key is consistency, and beginner's mind is essential. Approach each new habit as an opportunity, not a chore. Embrace this exciting phase of growth, and make your habits your allies in creating the life you've always wanted. Make the leap, your future self will thank you. As you embark on the journey of habit transformation, remember that the process is not static but dynamic. You'll encounter moments of resistance, periods of self-doubt, and, yes, even setbacks. However, it's vital to view these challenges as part of the growth process rather than deterrents. Each stumble is merely a reminder of your commitment to evolve. Just like a plant pushing through the soil, your habits will require nurturing and patience. So, when faced with obstacles, react not with discouragement but with resilience. Embrace the learning moments that come with each twist and turn. Crafting lasting change is less about perfection and more about progress. The journey ahead is filled with possibilities waiting to be unlocked. Keep your vision clear, and step boldly into the future you are creating. Embrace this adventure, it's about to unfold beautifully. As you integrate these principles into your life, remember that every small change compounds, leading to exponential growth over time. Picture your habits as tiny seeds. Given the right environment and care, they will flourish into something remarkable, changing not just your day-to-day experiences but shaping the very person you wish to become. Your commitment today lays the blueprint for your future achievements, and every step counts. So keep nurturing those habits, and soon you'll witness the breathtaking transformation that follows. Engage with your journey, stay connected to your purpose, and trust the process. It's worth it. In conclusion, the path to transforming your life through atomic habits is paved with small, consistent actions that align with your desired identity. Embrace the power of incremental change, cultivate your environment, and watch as these tiny efforts compound into significant, rewarding transformation. Your future self is waiting. Let your journey begin. Thank you for Varking.